This is Try Some
Stuff?
Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're changing this thermostat right over there, and it's a Mitsubishi Lancer 2004 and the engine type is 4G18, and I've got two thermostats here. Yes, for a weird reason the supplier gave me two. The one it says Mitsubishi and the other one said suitable for BMW. Well, they say according to the computer it can be either one, but I think it's probably the one that says Mitsubishi. So let's get started. So on the car there's two bolts keeping that housing in, one on top and one on the bottom. All you need is a 12 socket and you're good to go. So both bolts are out. Let's see what's behind door number one. Look at all that rust inside that one. So I think it's a good thing. And by the way, I haven't changed this thermostat in 8 years. I've had this car for 8 years. Ooh. So this is how this one looks. So let's see which one it will be, and I'm guessing it's gonna be the one that says Mitsubishi. And survey says it's the one that says Mitsubishi. Well, what do you know? Okay, it's just the reverse. Remember, this will be on top, not on the bottom. Remember, this one was at the top. So it's already got a rubber seal, so you don't need to put anything like silicone on this. Just checking. Like so. And then it's just a matter of putting those bolts back. And of course, refilling that radiator. So that is it. Very quick and easy. Took me less than what, 5-6 minutes to do everything. It took me longer to record. So, and now I have to remember to refill the radiator. So I'm gonna do this, and thank you for watching.
Calling it the end.
Dun, dun, dun.
This is
Stuff?